How to create AliExpress account on PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AliExpress account on PC. AliExpress is a leading Chinese e-commerce platform. To create an account on it, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. And in the search bar, type in aliexpress.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of AliExpress. Here, once you reach to this page, at the top right, you will be able to see the sign in or register option. Move your cursor to this option and from this drop down, select register option. Once you select the register, you will be presented with this pop-up. Here, you will need to enter your email address. Tap on the email box and there type in your email address. Once you have entered your email address, click on this continue button at the bottom. And now create a password for your account. Make sure it contains 6 to 20 characters with numbers, letters or symbols. Once after creating the password, now here click on this register button right here. Wait for a moment and now you will need to slide this arrow in order to verify yourself. Once verified, a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to open the email and check your inbox for a verification code. Once you have entered the verification code, click on this button right here and then after successful verification, you will see you have successfully created an account on AliExpress. So by following these steps, you should be able to create an account on AliExpress on a PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.